Have you ever pondered why a certain logo or color scheme immediately brings a specific company to mind? That's the power of brand identity. It's the visual DNA that helps a company stand out in the crowded marketplace, creating an emotional connection with its audience. Let's delve into the heart of brand identity, starting with its effectiveness evaluation. Brand identity is not just about a striking logo or catchy tagline, it's a cohesive blend of design, language, and purpose that communicates the essence of a business. But how do we measure its effectiveness? Consider Apple, for instance. The tech giant has a minimalist design approach that speaks volumes about its commitment to simplicity and innovation. The effectiveness of Apple's brand identity lies in its consistency, which has become synonymous with high-quality, user-friendly technology. Apple's brand identity has been effective because it communicates its core values to its customers, creating a strong emotional bond. Another measure of brand identity's effectiveness is its impact on the company's bottom line. Coca-Cola, with its iconic red and white logo, saw a significant increase in sales after its rebranding in the 1980s. The rebranding, which emphasized the company's heritage and authenticity, resonated with consumers, leading to increased brand loyalty and sales. The evolution of a brand identity is another fascinating aspect. It's a delicate balancing act of remaining relevant while staying true to the brand's core values. Take, for instance, McDonald's. In the early 2000s, the fast food chain faced criticism for promoting unhealthy eating habits. McDonald's responded by rebranding, incorporating more green into its logo to signify a shift towards healthier options. The rebranding was a success, as it addressed consumer concerns while maintaining the brand's identity. A brand's identity is not static. It evolves to keep pace with changing consumer tastes and market trends. Starbucks is another excellent example. The coffee chain simplified its logo in 2011, removing the brand name and focusing on its iconic mermaid symbol. The change was a nod to the company's expansion beyond coffee, signaling its growth into a global lifestyle brand. To sum up, brand identity is a powerful tool that shapes consumer perceptions and drives business growth. It's a complex blend of design, language, and purpose that needs to be consistent and relevant. Evaluating its effectiveness involves assessing its impact on customer loyalty and sales. The evolution of a brand identity, on the other hand, requires a delicate balance of staying true to core values while adapting to changing market dynamics. Brand identity is not just about logos or color schemes, it's about telling a story, evoking emotions, and creating an unforgettable experience. It's about standing out in a crowded marketplace and forging a deep connection with your audience. Because, at the end of the day, a strong brand identity is not just seen or heard, it's felt.